Before we go into the formalities, I'd invite us to bow down in a word. In the program, we will first of all, I also would like to welcome our regional party to be able to host this Oceania Sevens here in Suva. This is ES, who is not here this morning, but by way of introduction,
Oceania and Fiji Rugby officials and representatives, facilitators, participants, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, Bulubinaka, Namaste, and welcome to Fiji. I'm honored to be invited to address you, all the facilitators and participants of the World Rugby Immediate Care in Rugby, or the ICIR Level 2 workshop. And I commend World Rugby and Oceania Rugby for such an important initiative which recognizes the risk of injuries of a medical during matches of training activities. It's similar that we followed an MOU was signed by our Prime Minister with the President of China. And we followed that sports MOU, and it was required by China by 2020, 1 million of Chinese have to play rugby. So when we went with the executive chairman of Fiji Sports Commission to China in 2016, they want 100 level 3 coaches from Fiji alone. But we have only 4, I think. We added another 10. Oh, that's good. So by 2020, the government of China wants to play 1 million rugby players. So I don't know why they want Fiji. I hope New Zealand and Australia are not. Ladies and gentlemen, the Fijian government commitment to host the Oceania Rugby Championship is a true reflection of the commitment of the government through the Ministry of Youth and Sports to develop sports in the country. Sports such as rugby played an important role in Oceania, and we have witnessed how it can bring people together, particularly in Fiji, and set our differences aside. While focusing on the game itself, many of us tend to overlook the dangers and players face in a robust contact sports like rugby. One thing is for certain, players of sports are getting bigger and faster. The laws of physics tells us that the force of a tackle or a hit depends on 3 factors: the body weight, the speed, and how quickly the players stop moving. This is a part of the thrill of the rugby. The big hits, that is what excites and makes the game such a spectacle. However, with such heavy players and speed creating such immense forces, the risk of injury is high. In top level rugby alone, an average of 221 tackles per game have been recorded, and this has led to a high rise in the number of reported concussion and in some instance disability. So this workshop you are attending today, on the other hand, will enable you to improve the provision of immediate trauma and medical care to players, facilitating not only a reduction in injuries, but also a rewarding satisfaction to the providers of such care. The 14 modules are part of these programs are designed to address all aspects of scenarios that you may encounter in real life situation. It will more importantly enhance your knowledge and skillfully as a field of play practitioner, standardize your approach, assessment and delivery of care to players. There is clearly a need for doctors and other professional looking after athletes and teams to be personally equipped with skills and the equipment required to the delivery of immediate care. Not only do this the professional need to be prepared on match available days, but also at training venues and grounds where a significant number of injuries or medical problems also occur. We need to look after our young people and avoid full contact of young ages. As the government agency, it is mandated to oversee the development of sports in the country. My ministry fully supports the drive for more awareness and on the delivery of care to players, not only in rugby but to all sports. Most often the issue of on or off the field injuries in developing rugby nation is overlooked and only comes to light when incident occurs or perhaps if there is a fatality. That is why it is very important for you as first responder to possess skills and equipments required to facilitate the delivery of immediate care to a sportsman and woman, or many suffer a critical life or limb-threatening injury or medical condition. On the same note, such a workshop that you are attending this morning also help us to improve on our standards, objectively raising them to meet international standards. And encourage you, ladies and gentlemen, to make the most of this workshop, as it will definitely assist you. We'll attending to matches locally and internationally. I hope that the facilitators will enjoy our hospitality and tournament that is ready on our doorsteps of some teams, I think, have already arrived. I'm confident that you will all enjoy your stay in Fiji and will be ready to return in Fiji in the near future as a facilitator or on vacation. With those few words, I wish you all the best, and Binaka Danbad and Sukran, and thank you to all.
In moving the vote of thanks this morning, I'd like to first and foremost here for teams that I have worked with, to the course facilitator.
For the workshop proper to begin, and then we invite the minister to join us.
I also say thank you on behalf of all of us here for level, and a blessed Sunday to you, Minister, and to the rest of us.
Hello, Minister. I'll invite our board member from Oceania Rugby, Ms. World Rugby Tigers. Thank you. Can we please show our appreciation with a round of applause?